Should have held you closer then, said the words I never said. Now the silence fills this room like a shadow I can't move. All the nights you cried alone, while I thought you'd always stay. I was blind to what I had. Now it's gone, and I can't change. You were always on my mind, even when I crossed the line. Every second, every day, I just didn't know how to say. Now I'm here without your love, talking to the stars above. If I could turn back time, you'd still be mine, still on my mind. Empty chair across from me, where you used to sit and dream. Now your ghost is all I see, in every place we used to be. Every word I didn't say comes back to haunt me every day. If I knew you'd slip away, I would have begged you just to stay. You were always on my mind, even when I crossed the line. Every second, every day, I just didn't know how to say. Now I'm here without your love, talking to the stars above. If I could turn back time, you'd still be mine, still on my mind. If you hear this song somehow, I'd say sorry here and now. Every tear, every regret is a promise I won't forget. I still walk those old streets alone. Every step reminds me of home. But without you here with me, it's not where I'm meant to be. You were always on my mind, even when I crossed the line. Every second, every day, I I just didn't know how to say. Now I'm here without your love, talking to the stars above. If I could turn back time, you'd still be mine, still on my mind, still on my mind. Every night, every time I lost you, but you never left my mind. From the moment that we met, I knew this heart was set. Every road led me to you, every dream just felt so true. Through the calm and through the storm, you became my safe and warm. Every fear just fades away, every night and every day. I promise you always, through the nights and all our days, when the world feels far away, I'll be right here, I will stay. Every breath, every prayer, I'll be with you everywhere. Through the years, come what may, I promise you always. Time may try to change our lives, seasons come and pass us by, but one thing will never fade, this love we've always made. When your smile begins to fall, I'll be there to catch it all. Hold you close, don't be afraid, I'll be your light in every shade. I promise you always, through the nights and all our days, when the world feels far away, I'll be right here, I will stay. Every breath, every prayer, I'll be with you everywhere. Through the years, come what may, I promise you always. If forever ends someday, and my words just fade away, like the rain. So take my hand, don't let it go. You're the only home I know. Every step I'll walk with you. Every promise will come true. I promise you always, through the nights and all our days, when the world feels far away, I'll be right here. I will stay. Every breath, every prayer, I'll be with you everywhere. Through the years, come what may, I promise you always. Always, 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 till the end of time. I promise you, you'll always be mine.
We were young, hearts open wide, didn't know what waited outside. Every step felt like a chance, didn't know it was a dance. Through the highs and through the fall, we gave everything, we gave it all. Every tear and every smile made it worth it all the while. I'd do it all again somehow. Everything that led to now, even if it ends in pain, I'd walk that road again the same. Every moment, every chance, every heartbreak, every glance. If I had to choose the truth, I'd take one last dance with you. Time moves on, it never stays, leaves us with these yesterdays. But I wouldn't change a thing. Every loss is what love brings. Now the night is growing cold, and the story's almost told. Still I feel you in this song, like you've been here all along. I'd do it all again somehow. ends in pain, I'd walk that road again the same. Every moment, every chance, every heartbreak, every glance. If I had to choose the truth, I'd take one last dance with you. If I never knew your name, I'd be someone else today. Every scar you left behind turned into this heart of mine. So when the curtain starts to fall, I won't fear it after all, 'cause I loved it true. Every step was worth with you. I'd do it all again somehow. Every then that led to now, even if it ends in pain, I'd walk that road again the same. Every moment, every chance, every heartbreak, every glance. If I had to choose the truth, I'd take one last dance with you. One last dance, just me and you. Through the dark, through the truth. If this is where it ends, I'd still choose you.
Remember back when we were young, chasing dreams in the setting sun, barefoot dancing in the dust. All we had was love and trust. Old dirt road in your hand in mine, didn't care about space or time. Every laugh, every tear felt like forever living here. Remember back then, when love was new, every little thing felt true. We had nothing, we had it all. We were standing, we would never fall. Through the years, through the pain, through the sunshine and the rain. If I had to choose again, I'd go back to back then. First small house, leaky roof, making dreams with simple truth.
counting stars instead of gold, building life, growing old. Every fight we worked it through, every scar just made us true. Time kept moving, we held on. Now those days are almost gone. Remember back then, when love was new, every little thing felt true. We had nothing, we had it all. We were standing, we would never fall. Through the years, through the pain, through the sunshine and the rain, if I had to choose again, I'd go back to back then. Now the porch is quiet at night, just your chair and fading light, but I still feel you next to me in every breath in memory. Photographs begin to fade, but the love we built won't change. Even time can't take away every word we used to say. Back then, when love was new, every little thing felt true. We had nothing, we had it all. We stood together through it all. Through the years, through the pain, through the sunshine and the rain, if I had to choose again, I'd go back to back then. Remember back then, just you and me. If I close my eyes, that's where I'll be. Morning light through the window pane, soft wind calling out your name. Coffee's warm, but the bed feels cold, since the day I had to let you go. Old front porch and a swing that creaks. Every night your memory speaks. Fireflies in the summer air still remind me you were there. You're my sunshine still, even when the sky turns gray. Through the storm, through the rain, You never fade away. In my heart you stay, no matter where you are. You're my light in the dark, my forever shining star. Photographs in a dusty frame hold a life we couldn't save. Every smile, every tear feels like you're still right here. Seasons change, but I don't move on. I just learn to carry on with a love that never dies. Even after last goodbyes, you're my sunshine still. Even when the sky turns gray, through the storm, through the rain, you never fade away. In my heart you stay, no matter where you are. You're my light in the dark, my forever shining star. If I could hold you one more time, I'd never let you say goodbye. But I know you're watching me from somewhere I can't see. So I whisper to the sky at night, hoping somehow you're alright. Every prayer, every tear carries love from here to there. You're my sunshine still, even when the sky turns gray. Through the storm, through the rain, you never fade away. In my heart you stay, no matter where you are. You're my light in the dark, my forever shining star. You're my sunshine still, always will be. Even when you're not with me.
Saw you standing
by the bar tonight, neon glow in those tired eyes. He was there, but he didn't see the kind of light you bring so easily. You smiled soft, but it felt so fake, like your heart was about to break. Girl, I don't even know your name, but I can feel your hidden pain. Blue don't belong to you. Those tears ain't made for someone like you. You're too bright for the dark he brings, too full of life for broken things. If I could, I'd paint your sky with every color you've been denied. Girl, I swear it's true. Blue don't belong to you. He walked out, didn't say goodbye, left you there with a shattered smile. Glass in hand, but you barely sip, like you're tired of tasting hurt like this. If I had just one chance tonight, I'd hold your hand, make it feel alright. Not to rush, just take it slow. Show you love you didn't know. Blue don't belong to you. Those tears ain't made for someone like you. You're too bright for the dark he brings, too full of life for broken things. If I could, I'd paint your sky with every color you've been denied. Girl, I swear it's true. Blue don't belong to you. You don't have to say a word, I can hear what hasn't been heard. Every scar, every silent cry, I see it all in your eyes. Maybe someday you'll believe you deserve more than what you've seen. And maybe I'll still be around when you finally put that hurt down. Blue don't belong to you. Those tears ain't made for someone like you. You're too bright for the dark he brings, too full of life for broken things.
If I could, I'd paint your sky with every color you've been denied. Girl, I swear it's true. Blue don't belong to you. No, blue don't belong, not to a heart like yours. One day you'll see what I see in you.
He sat alone on a wooden chair, empty glass and a silent prayer. Old guitar by the wall untouched, since the night he lost her love so much. Her picture faded by his bed, words he wished he never said. Every night he hears her voice echo softly, leaves no choice. He drinks to forget, but remembers more. Every tear falls to the floor. Whiskey burns, but it don't heal pain. Just calls her name again and again. He tried to fight, he tried to stay, but the darkness took his breath away. With one last sip, he closed his eyes, sang his heart a last goodbye. She walked away with tears that night, broken dreams under neon light. Didn't know it'd be the end, didn't know she'd lose her friend. Morning came, but he was gone, left her with an empty song. Now she stands by a cold grave, with all the love she couldn't save. He drank to forget, but remembered more. Every tear fell to the floor. Whiskey burned, but it didn't heal pain. Just called her name again and again. He tried to fight, he tried to stay, but the darkness took him away. With one last sip, he closed his eyes, sang his heart a last goodbye. Now the wind sings through the trees, that never leaves, two lost souls in different skies, bound together by goodbye. She don't drink, but she feels the pain. Every drop runs through her veins. Sits alone where they used to be, talking to his memory. He drank to forget, but remembered more. Every tear fell to the floor. Whiskey burned, but it didn't heal pain. Still calls his name in the pouring rain. Two broken hearts, worlds apart, still together in the dark. One lost life, one left behind, both still drowning in goodbye. One last song, one last cry. Love don't fade, it just says goodbye. Long day fading into night, heavy heart nowhere feels right. Then you walk into the room, and suddenly the dark won't bloom. Every worry slips away, like the clouds on a summer day. I don't need no reason why. All I know is you're my sky. When you smile at me, everything feels like it's meant to be. All my fears just disappear when your light is shining here. I don't need the world to see all the things you are to me. All I need, I finally see, is your smile, your smile on me. Broken roads I walked before led me right up to your door. Every scar, every tear brought me closer to you here. I was searching all my life, through the pain and through strife. Now I know the truth inside. You're the peace I couldn't find. When you smile at me, everything feels like it's meant to be. All my fears just disappear when your light is shining here. I don't need the world to see all the things you are to me. All I need, I finally see, is your smile, your smile on me. If the night gets cold and long, you're the reason I stay strong. Every dream I used to chase, now I see it in your face. Time may change and seasons fade, but your love will never break. Through the storm and through the rain, you're my sunshine through the pain. When you smile at me, everything feels like it's meant to be. All my fears just disappear when your light is shining here. I don't need the world to see all the things you are to me. All I need, I finally see, is your smile, your smile on me. Just one smile and I'm home. You don't know what you've done when you smile at me. Sunlight dancing in your hair, morning whispers you're still there. Coffee's cold, but I don't care. Girl, your love is everywhere. Old blue jeans and your bare feet, laughing slow to a heartbeat. Every moment feels so right, holding you through every night. I don't need a fancy life, no big dreams or city lights. If I've got your hand in mine, I'm already doing fine. I could live and never roam, as long as you're my home. If forever ends too soon, I'd still say I had you. Rain falls softly on the roof, every drop just feels like truth. Wrapped in arms I can't replace, I found heaven in your face. Time goes fast, but I don't mind. Every second you're my time. If the world just fades away, I'd be okay if you stay. I don't need a fancy life, no big dreams or city lights. If I've got your hand in mine, I'm already doing fine. I could live and never roam, as long as you're my home. If forever ends too soon, I'd still say I had you. If my days were counted down and the night was all around, I'd just look into your eyes. That's where my forever lies. Every road led me to you, every dream somehow came true. I don't fear what I can't see, you're the only thing I need. I don't need a fancy life, no big dreams or city lights. If I've got your hand in mine, I'm already doing fine. I could live and never roam, as long as you're my home. If forever ends too soon, I'd still say I had you. With you, I have it all. I don't need anything at all. If I had just one life to choose, I'd still choose you. Sunset falling on a dusty road, old boots walking where the wild winds blow. Golden fields and a sky so wide, I hear your voice in the countryside. Wooden fences and a broken sign, Memories live in this heart of mine. Every mile feels like yesterday. Though I left, I never went away. Take me back home, down country roads, where the river runs and the pine tree grows, where my heart still beats, where I belong, in the quiet hills where I grew up strong. Take me back home, don't let me roam. Through the nights I feel so alone. Hear my soul calling soft and low. Take me back home, down country roads. Mama's voice in the morning light, Daddy's laugh on a Friday night, fireflies dancing in the air. Simple life without a care. City lights never felt the same. Too much noise, too much empty fame. I'd trade it all for a small front porch and a sky full of stars I can't ignore. Take me back home, down country roads, where the river runs and the pine tree grows, where my heart still beats, where I belong, in the quiet hills where I grew up strong. Take me back home, don't let me roam. Through the nights I feel so alone. Hear my soul calling soft and low. Take me back home, down country roads. If I could turn back time tonight, I'd follow that old dirt road in moonlight. Every tear, every broken dream leads me back to where I've been. Old oak tree where I carved your name, still standing there. It hasn't changed. Time moves on, but my heart still stays, lost in those sweet summer days. Take me back home, country roads, where the river runs and the pine tree grows, where my heart still beats, where I belong, in the quiet hills where I grew up strong. Take me back home, take me back home. Don't let me roam. Soft and low. Take me back home, down country roads. Country road, take me home where I'm never alone. Take me back, take me home, down those old country